In today's episode, media mode for GoPro 9. Let's unbox it. That's the plastic. Okay. Wow. There it is. The box smells decent. Very shiny, very nice. What's on the box? GoPro limited lifetime warranty, but lifetime. 3.5mm mic port, HDMI out port, USB Type-C. Yes, my friend, yes. And you can connect the light on the side. And extra screen. Oh, that's interesting. Anyway, where's the seal? There it is, factory seal. Let's cut it, let's open it. Bam! Just like that. Sorry for the Samsung sticker, but yeah. That's what it is. Oh yeah. What do we have here? Manual with pictures. Oh yeah, that's what we need. Of course. Yes. And lifetime limited warranty. Okay. This is how the box looks like. Sorry, my English not that good. Okay, so the foam thing for the microphone is here. Oh, what is this? What is this? Some kind of dirt. How does it smell? Plastic. Okay. What else do we have? Oh, USB Type-C in here, you see? In there. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It is a bit heavy, I must say. That's the mic. Okay, don't press this. This is on the microphone. And the hinge for the extra... Another microphone? I don't know. What can you mount it? What can you mount here? Is this removable? Oh yeah. USB Type-C in here. Very nice. I like it. What's in here? 3.5mm jack. And USB, the big one, this big one. I don't know how, this is not a micro USB, this is the USB type. I don't remember the name, but it's a USB. Okay, let's cover it. Power button here. Come on. Okay. How do we install? That's the GoPro 9. So all we need to do is pull the... Okay. That's nice. You just pull and it's out. Okay. Side mounted. Can you see this in the camera? Okay. Bam. Okay, very smooth. Okay. Now the GoPro looks bigger now. Oh wow. Looks professional. It's big, it's huge, it's heavy. 202 grams. It's insanely heavy now. Wow. Standard GoPro mount. Looks standard. Oh, I don't know. And standard screw. Okay, nothing else in the box. Okay. And foam. That can will be, I think, better. But let's install a foam. Okay. Look. Media mode connected. The mic is set to front. Tap video setting to change the setup. A shortcut. Okay, now you can see this bar here. Now let's check the audio. Inside and outside. Now you can hear me with a built-in microphone. Let me switch. And now you can hear me with the mode mic. How can you hear me? Really good? Let's hope it is really good. And again with a built-in microphone. The difference is huge. Built microphone first. You can see it is raining. Okay, so how can you hear me? Is it good? I'm speaking normal way. I don't think you can hear me now at all. It's too far. Hello, I'm talking to the GoPro 9. What about audio quality now? Okay, let's install media mode. And how can you hear me now? This is without the dead cat. This is not a dead cat, this is a piece of foam. Okay, so how can you hear me now? I don't know. How many? Is this mine? What is this? It's not mine. How many steps is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 steps. Sorry, my English is not that good. But how can you hear me? Can you hear me good? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Something like 12 steps. This is not a mic. This is a mic, and you can use it with GoPro. Oh wow. Now you can hear me through the Rode mic, which is a professional mic. Now, how can you hear me now? Is this way better than the media mount built-in mic? Mic, not bike. I think now it's just insanely good quality. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But yeah, the camera gets super huge now. And it's raining, and this mic is not waterproof. It's very expensive. So we have to hide it under the umbrella. Sorry, I'm blocking the lens. Yeah, but the audio quality now is, I think it's even too loud now. And now let's test wind noise. Now I remove the foam. Let's turn this fan on. It is on. Wind is blowing this way. Let me go a bit closer. You definitely can hear the wind noise, yes? Yes. Now let's put this foam on. Bam! It is on. Can you hear the noise now? Now with the foam. Oh wow! I think it's a huge difference. Now let me remove the foam. Removing right now, removed. And now you can hear the wind noise. Yes. So this thing is working. Okay, cool down, cool down. So there you have it, folks. Media mode. Camera is heavier, bigger, wider, but those 3 ports will give you all kinds of connections. You can charge it, you can connect light, extended microphone, all kinds of extended microphone, wireless one, everything you need. Insane features. And of course you can mount the microphone like this or on the side. Yes, I think this is the best mode you can get for GoPro 9. And it's incredible. Thanks for watching. Let me just goodbye.